Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers on the 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Realtree Xtra for the insert and for the trim. It's a full camo set here. Gonna be a really cool looking set. Let's check this out. So let's check out the fabrics that we use inside here. Again, this is the Realtree Xtra camo fabric. Super durable, water resistant. It's a 600 denier canvas material, meaning that's, again, just a real durable canvas that's gonna hold up to the wear and tear of the dogs, get in and out with your dirty pants and being able to wipe off, keep things looking nice and clean inside here. Now, that we did for the insert, we did that Realtree Xtra as well as the trim side. You could mix and match with solid colors or some other fabrics, maybe even you want to do like a ostrich or crocodile fabric. You can mix and match there. You can see the options on the website. But this set we did full camo, looks really nice. Lots of greens and browns and some blacks in here. Matched up really nice inside this interior, lots of black inside this interior. So again, Realtree Xtra for the insert and the trim looks really nice. As you can see, the sew lines in along with the foam backing that this seat cover has really makes it a really nice looking seat cover that looks more like a seat, more like your OEM seat here. Now it's 3/8 inch of foam backing, so it gives it just a nice, a little bit more plush, kind of contoured look to it here. And then also, as you can see, there's a multi-panel trim side. So it's 1, 2, 3 sections that make up kind of this bolster here, and it gets it to contour around this Tacoma seat a lot better. So just really nice looking on this Tacoma here, and just gets it set up so looking good on this Tacoma here with the Realtree Xtra for the insert and the trim sections. Now let's check out this console lid section right here. So this is an optional lid cover, but it's really nice to have this cover where you're resting your right arm as you're driving. It's really nice to be able to get that protected, and so you don't wear out that console right there. And it's still going to fold and function just how it should. Comes up like that, so allows you to grab this handle on the front. Full install video that we filmed to teach you how to install all of this, not just the lid cover, but all the seats. We'll walk you through that full install. You can see that video there on the website. And again, looking nice on that console lid here. Here's a close-up on the passenger bottom seat here. You can see how nice and tight this all fits. Again, there's 3/8 inch of foam backing on all the seating areas here. So on this top section here, also around on these trim sides right here, there's going to be that foam backing. No foam backing on the sides right here, but really where you need that foam backing is on the top seating areas. As you can see, a couple different sections here. So 1, 2, and then 3 sections sewn together to get it to really fit nice and tight around this side bolster right there. The old style seats, they used to not be as contoured as they are now. When there's lots of contours in them, you really need to have those extra panels sewn in to really get the seat cover to fit correctly around the seat. It just looks great here. Again, super durable, 600 denier canvas, waterproof material. Going to be able to just keep things nice and clean inside here. A super common question is, are they waterproof? And yes, they are. Let's just pour a little bit of water on here. So you can just see how the water beads up like that, and you'll be able to just dry it off. Let's get a little bit more on there. So you can see how it beads up right there like that. And then we're just going to wipe that up and clean that up there. Let's check out this headrest section right here. As you can see, trims out really nice around right here, and just a really nice fitting cover and matched up. Always great having the headrest match with the backrest as well, and just really looking good. You can see there's extra flabs that cover the front side as well as the other sides right here to really get a nice clean look on those headrests here. So just a great setup on that. Here is the side airbag section. If this ever needs to deploy, the airbag ever needs to deploy, it'll blow through this section right here, and there's 3 Velcro tabs. And again, the install video will show you how to connect these all together and put everything on, but it is airbag compatible, so the airbags can deploy outside. Again, just so you can see There's the original fabric underneath, all covered and protected here. But if the airbag ever needs to deploy, it can blow through that. Showing you the back of the passenger and driver side now, you can see that we went with the rear map pockets on this setup. So that's great for jackets, water bottles, binoculars, and smaller gear. Back here, you might consider doing the special ops package, which would allow a lot more gear storage, as well as rifles and bows on the backside. But if you want something simple just for storage like that, then the map pockets, rear fabric pockets or map pockets are the way to go for that. Now let's check out these rear seats back here. This is the 60/40 rear seat in this double cab. As you can see, all covered, looking great, and still going to be able to fold and function just how it should. Headrests are all covered, looking sweet, looking good there. Everything in the Realtree Xtra fabric back here just always looks best having front and rear seats matching. Just so you can see here how this will still fold and function, we're going to lift up this 60 section bottom. Here's these straps on the underside right there, straps and buckles, and that draw cord that we show you in the install video, how to put all of that together. And then you can see that this backrest can still come down right here as well. We'll just fold it to the right there. Now you could pull those headrests out and then get it to go all the way flat. Just so it's showing you here, you get full coverage on the back side like that. Nice having that fabric, because then it's just going to be easy to wipe things down, keep things nice and clean if you have these down quite a bit. Here's this cutout right here, so then you can still attach that up right there. Everything's going to fold and function. You're still going to have your child seat attachments as well. So you can see down here, there's those bars. That's for the child seat attachment bars right there. This is an integrated seatbelt right here, and it comes out of this section right here. And so then this seat cover was designed for this integrated seatbelt, and it connected up with this Velcro right here. Have a full install video showing you again how to put that on, how to put these headrests on, get them looking nice and tight like that. This 40 section as well, same thing. You can pop that up like that right there, so you can see that there. That's gonna be able to fold and function. And same thing, that 40 backrest is going to be able to fold down, and everything's going to look nice and tight, look great on it. Thanks so much for watching. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. To see more, go to coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. Again, Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.